Welcome to English Odyssey. Hello language learners and football fans. Today on English Odyssey, we're diving into the thrilling story of Arsenal Football Club, a tale of passion, drama and history. Whether you're here to improve your English or explore football's legends, this story will keep you hooked. Let's kick off. The factory, workers' passion. In the smoky industrial heart of Victorian London, a group of workers at the Royal Arsenal Munitions Factory dreamed of something bigger. After long days crafting weapons, they gathered in 1886 to form a football team. They named it Dial Square after the workshop where they built cannons. Their first match, played on a patchy field in December 1886, ended in a 6-0 win. Football was their escape from factory life, a game that united them. Years later, they renamed the club Royal Arsenal, planting the seeds for a global giant. Escape to Highbury. By 1913, the club, now called Arsenal, was struggling. Debts piled up, and fans in Woolwich feared the worst. To survive, the team made a bold choice. They moved to Highbury, North London. Loyal supporters felt abandoned, but the new home at Arsenal Stadium, later nicknamed Highbury, saved the club. The red brick stands and lush pitch became symbols of a fresh start. North Londoners slowly embraced the team, chanting, "Come on, you Gunners!" as a new identity took shape. Herbert Chapman, the mastermind. When Herbert Chapman became manager in 1925, he brought a storm of innovation. He introduced floodlights for evening matches, numbered jerseys, and the revolutionary WM formation, a tactical blueprint copied worldwide. Under Chapman, Arsenal won their first FA Cup in 1930 and dominated the 1930s with 5 league titles. Tragically, he died suddenly in 1934, but his legacy lived on. The clock at Highbury, forever stopped at 3:15, the time of his first home game, became a shrine to his genius, the Invincibles, a season of magic. Fast forward to 2003-04. Arsenal, managed by the calm French professor Arsène Wenger, achieved the impossible. They played 38 Premier League games without a single loss, 26 wins, 12 draws. Thierry Henry, with his lightning speed and effortless goals, led the charge. Defenders like Sol Campbell stood like walls, while Patrick Vieira bossed the midfield. Fans called them the Invincibles. And their golden Premier League trophy still glows in the Emirates Stadium Museum. Thierry Henry, the poet of football. No one wore Arsenal's red and white like Thierry Henry. He glided past defenders, scoring goals that felt like art. His famous va-va-voom celebration, chest out, arms wide, became iconic. In 2006, he scored a hat-trick against rivals Tottenham Hotspur, sealing his legend. When he left for Barcelona, fans wept. Today, his statue stands outside the Emirates, a reminder of football's beauty. Goodbye to Highbury. In May 2006, Arsenal played their final match at Highbury. Fans packed the stands, singing Wonder of You, as tears flowed. Legends like Dennis Bergkamp waved goodbye to the pitch where they'd made history. The old stadium's Art Deco facades and marble halls were replaced by apartments, but memories of glory nights, like beating Real Madrid 1-0 in 2006, live forever. The Emirates, a new dawn. The Emirates Stadium opened in 2006, a sleek 60,000-seat arena with a glowing red exterior. At first, fans missed Highbury's charm, but new heroes emerged. Cesc Fabregas, a teenage Spanish midfielder, became the heartbeat of the team. Though trophies were scarce, the Emirates hosted magical moments like a 2-1 win over Barcelona in 2011, where Arsenal overcame Lionel Messi's giants. North London derby. fire and fury. No fixture divides families like Arsenal versus Tottenham. In 2004, Arsenal clinched the league title at Tottenham's home ground, White Hart Lane. Fans sang "We won the league" at the Lane for years. The rivalry burns brightest when Arsenal celebrates St Totteringham's Day, the day each season when they finish above Tottenham. Arsène Wenger, the professor's farewell. Arsène Wenger managed Arsenal for 22 years, a lifetime in football. He transformed the club with his wisdom, signing unknowns like Nicolas Anelka and turning them into stars. His 1998 double, winning the league and FA Cup, made him a hero. But by 2018, after years of criticism, he bid farewell. Fans held banners reading "Merci Arsène" as he waved goodbye, ending an era. FA Cup miracles. The FA Cup is Arsenal's happy place. In 2014, after a 9-year trophy drought, they faced Hull City in the final. Trailing 2-0 early, they fought back. Aaron Ramsey scored the winner in extra time, sparking wild celebrations. Arsenal's 14 FA Cups, more than any club, prove their love for this historic tournament. European heartbreak. The 2006 Champions League final in Paris was agony. Arsenal led Barcelona 1-0 after Sol Campbell's header, but goalkeeper Jens Lehmann's early red card left them with 10 men. Barcelona rallied to win 2-1. Fans still wonder, what if Lehmann had stayed? Arsenal women, Queens of England. Arsenal, women are legends. In 2007 they won the quadruple, the League, FA Cup, League Cup and Champions League. Dutch striker Vivianne Miedema broke records, scoring 22 goals in a single season. Their success inspired girls worldwide to lace up their boots. The young guns today, Arsenal's future shines with youth. Bukayo Saka, a homegrown star, dances past defenders with a smile. Martin Ødegaard, the captain, pulled strings in midfield. Though trophies are rare, their energy gives fans hope. The Emirates roars again. In 2023, Arsenal nearly won the league after 20 years. Led by Mikel Arteta, they played dazzling football. Though they fell short, the Emirates buzzed with belief. Fans chanted, "We're North London and we're never gonna stop." Forever, the Gunners from Woolwich workers to global icons, Arsenal's story is about never giving up. They've faced financial ruin, heartbreak and rivals, but their red and white spirit endures. As the anthem goes, good old Arsenal, we're proud to say that name. Thanks for joining English Odyssey. If you enjoyed this journey through Arsenal's history, subscribe for more stories to boost your English. Blast off